Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Meccah, and today I'm going to be doing a super simple, low maintenance, low tension style lookbook for my Microlocs. And I'm just going to kind of show you guys the everyday styles I like to wear that keep a lot of the pressure and tension off my head when I do decide to style my hair. So we'll get right into that, and here y'all go. So yeah, I already filmed the outro, but I'm also going to add that the commonality in most of these super easy styles is that I don't double wrap my ponytail. So I literally just slide it on, and that kind of helps keep these edges loose. So that's the main takeaway in terms of why the tension, or why I call these low tension, is because minus maybe the cornrows, I'm doing very little to actually stretch the root of my hair. So it's wrapped once, it looks fuller, and to me it's cute. I'm really feeling like the spiky 90s style. I'm in my bang moment. Okay, I'll probably regret this in like a year, but right now 8th grade Meccah is shining through. My straight bangs are giving me life, and I think that helps lessen the tension even more. So it's a win-win right now. So yeah, okay, on to the actual outro now. Alright you guys, thank you so much for checking out this video today. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and definitely if you have any suggestions for low manipulation styles or anything that stood out to you, definitely let me know. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye!